This Faceless YouTube channel gets over 7 million views a month and is monetized and is likely making thousands of dollars just by creating extremely simple faceless YouTube videos. I was wondering, how can I join this lucrative side hustle? I don't have the skills to edit these videos, or I don't have the money to hire some fancy editor or use expensive programs like Premiere Pro. Well, guess what? I absolutely can. I'll reveal the secret to creating high-quality faceless videos using nothing but a free program like Canva. Stick around until the end, because the results will blow your mind. Hey guys, before we move ahead with the video, let me introduce you to the onemaker.io, a must-have tool for creating music videos in seconds. Lo-fi, music visualizers, relaxation, EDM, lyrics video, all in your browser. With a growing library of more than 5,000 artwork, you can also request new content. How to create a faceless YouTube video for free using Canva. Canva is a user-friendly platform for creating professional videos with templates and design elements. It's suitable for faceless videos and offers a free version with a wide range of features. Let's dive into the whole process of making a cool faceless YouTube video using Canva, a super easy platform packed with templates and design tools. Plus, it won't cost you a dime with its free version. Log in to Canva, head over to Canva's website and log in. Access the Video tab. Now, on the homepage, click here on this Video tab. From here, you can see different formats for the video. Choose YouTube Video. Gather your assets. Now, the next step is to choose a template and gather your assets. If you want to choose a template, you can choose from here, or you can upload your own artwork or video, or you can combine both. So I am going to use a nature-based template. These templates with the crown icon on the corner are paid ones. I want to make a video for free, so I am choosing this one. I will remove a few elements from this. Now, I am using this image. I created this one from Magic Media, which is an AI-powered tool. You just need to enter your prompt, and it will generate the images. Now back to our artwork. I am adjusting the transparency so that some background elements or the overlays can be merged. You can edit this image by clicking here, and you can adjust the brightness, color, contrast, etc., or add some filters. Upload the music Time to Groove. Click Upload Media under Audio and bring in your own audio file. You can snag some free tunes from royalty-free sites or even create your own using AI tools. Need help finding free tunes? Check out my previous video on sourcing copyright-free music for lo-fi video. Arrange audio and visuals. Now for the fun part. Drop your audio onto the timeline, make sure everything fits nicely, and spice it up with animations, text, or whatever floats your boat. You can also use some overlays if you want. In my case, my template already had some overlays. As you can see, I am not using any text or other overlays, as I want to create a relaxation video with a soothing theme and music. Preview and download. Now, hit that preview button to see if everything's jiving the way you want. Tweak anything that needs a little love. Now, hit share up top, then select download button, choose MP4 format, and then save it to your device. Save the project. Last but not least, don't forget to save your project in Canva. That way, you can easily tweak it or whip up something new down the road. That's it! You've successfully created a faceless video in Canva. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Manually splitting clips and editing every bit and byte is time-consuming and complicated. So I have a much faster, easier, and a quicker version for you called onemaker.io. And here, you can create a video in 3 simple steps. So no need to edit every bit manually. So to get started, click the first link in the description. An easier alternative to create faceless music video with onemaker.io. onemaker.io is an online tool to create a variety of music videos right in your browser. Here's a 3-step process to create a video using onemaker.io. 1. Sign up and choose a template. Simply sign up for free on onemaker.io and navigate to the desired video category. Then choose a template from the library and click on it to enter the editor page. 2. Customize the template. Here, you can customize the template to fit your theme, put the name of your song, change font, or edit the album cover from here. And you also have the option to upload your own artwork or choose from over 5,000 artworks available in the library. Animated artwork is on the top of the list, then you can see all the images. You can also preview these artwork by clicking here. But the best part is if you like any of these artwork, which are not animated, you can just click here, and a request will be generated for an animated artwork. You can click on this arrow and filter down the artwork further with categories, themes, and different styles, which will definitely make your life easier. Also, you can click here to request new content. You can just describe here the kind of artwork you want, and also, if you have any reference artwork, you can attach the same. That's totally your choice, and you will get all the requested artwork within a week. 3. Export the video. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click here on this arrow for advanced settings. Upload your music. If you want, you can adjust the color theme of the waveform. After finalizing the settings, click on the Export or Update button to create a video preview. If you want, you can just click back to edit, else just click here and create full HD video. You can then download your HD video from my videos. That's it. You've successfully created a music video using onemaker.io in just 3 simple steps. And these are a few of those music videos which I have created using onemaker.io's different categories. Thanks for watching. With Canva's free and user-friendly platform, creating high-quality faceless music videos is easier than ever. But if you're looking for an even quicker and simpler solution, check out onemaker.io. With its vast library of templates and easy-to-use interface, you can create stunning music videos in just a few clicks. So why wait? Click the link in the description to start creating your own masterpiece today.